In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tables in Google Forms questions. Whether you're working on a survey, quiz, or a form to collect data, adding a table can enhance the clarity and organization of the information you want to gather. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, navigate to your web browser and open Google Forms. If you haven't created a form yet, you can easily start a new one by selecting a blank form or choosing from the available templates. Once your form is open, you'll be greeted by a clean and simple interface. In order to add a table, you'll need to focus on configuring the question type that best supports this feature. In a Google form, tables are associated with grid questions, which allow respondents to choose from a set of options in a matrix format. To add a grid question, go to the question type drop-down menu located next to the question field. Click on it and look for either the multiple choice grid or checkbox grid option, depending on whether you want respondents to select only one option per row or multiple options. Once you've chosen your grid type, it's time to fill in the details. Enter the question or statement you want respondents to consider, and then list your rows. The rows represent the individual questions or criteria that respondents will evaluate. For example, you might be asking them to rate different aspects of a service, and each aspect would be listed as a row. Next, set up your columns. These are the options that respondents will choose from and might include ratings like excellent, good, fair, and poor if you're using a rating scale. Simply click on the Add Option text to enter your desired column headings. Make sure these headings are clear and concise to avoid any confusion. Once you've configured your grid question, it's a good idea to view it in preview mode to ensure everything looks as you expect. Click on the preview icon at the top of the screen, which resembles an eye, to open a new tab displaying your form as it will appear to respondents. Here, you can interact with your table to ensure that the grid format is correctly set up. Finally, if you encounter any issues or wish to navigate through more advanced settings, the help documentation from Google provides additional insights. You can also adjust settings like requiring a response for each row or allowing one response per column, depending on your needs. And there you have it, a simple guide to adding tables within Google Forms questions. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a form that not only gathers valuable data, but does so in a structured and organized manner. Remember to save your form frequently and share it with your audience when you're ready. Good luck with your data collection, and I hope you find this guide helpful for your future projects. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.